Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are the lines we drew yesterday. I was in a bit of a hurry, and as you can see, Nifty has taken a temporary support, and this is the daily candle, and it has closed in green. As usual, let's go and delete all the lines we drew yesterday and start afresh. Starting with the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame is not sure. Why is it not sure? Because this low created in August was taken a couple of days ago. This ideally should have been protected by the buyers. That did not happen. And this high created is higher than the previous high. So presently the bias is not sure. Are there any important levels? Well, nothing I want to mark up right now. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, the bias is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because Nifty has been creating lower highs. This high is much lower than the previous high, and that's why it is bearish. And what is an important support level? A major low is this one that had been respected, that is being respected this week. So let's just mark it in a with a thicker green line, and if this level is not respected, is 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 not respected after this particular candle, then the next support level could be all the way down here. That is 21,760. That 21,760, and that's in a weekly time frame. Long haul, it's about the long game. Now, in the interim, there's another level here that is the midpoint of this candle. Again, it's an approximation, so need not be the exact line. So that, and since it's a weekly candle, the approximation would do. So these are the important levels. This is something 25,150, 21,760, and the level that's being respected right now is 24,337. Going to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, looks like Nifty did take support on this important level. Now, what we expect the previous high that was created to be respected. And what is that high? That high is this one, 25,652. Let me mark it with a thinner line and then red. Now, what other levels are there that could put a hold on this rally that's playing out right now? Here there's a fair value, there's a bearish fair value gap, and over that there's another bearish fair value gap. So this confluence could be important liquidity zone. Okay, those are the all this area, this fair value gap is a totally a huge liquidity zone, and this confluence is a large liquidity zone. So from there, Nifty could fall again, and as long as this level is not invalidated on daily time frame, it is bearish. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4 hours time frame too, the story is similar. There is some bullish fair value gap here, which I don't want to draw and make a lot of confusion. Well, the story is similar. This is all bearish. On an hourly time frame, here things get a little interesting because this high has been invalidated and this is a low and this is a higher low. So this is a low and this is a higher low. At the same time, this high has been validated. So on an hourly time frame, Nifty has become bullish. Does not, from what we have been seeing in the last couple of weeks, it does not matter. It is the larger time frame that has been ruling the movements. Well, let's see tomorrow. And it's not surprising as this rejection is coming from a very important support level. So I wouldn't be surprised if Nifty makes a dead cat bounce to one of these, this level even, and then this level is ultimately protected. Well, let's see what happens tomorrow. I am not a certified analyst and I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.